Now we will move on our next topic, that is wedding in the flood and newspaper report. Come on page number 84. Here is poetry, Wedding in the Flood. Summary of the poem is Wedding in the Flood is a free verse poem describing the two different phenomena in same light. Rafat has juxtaposed rain and wedding event, connecting it through Pakistani proverb that rain is cast on wedding and marriage ceremonies by girls like pot in the kitchen. On page 84, here is poetry, Wedding in the Flood. The following poem is about wedding party returning in heavy rain. Heavy rain means बहुत तेज बारिश. The bride is being carried in a palki, and two strong boys are carrying her dowry. Palki means डोरी जो लाई जाती है, दुल्हन डोरी मिलाई जाती है, palki. A coat, a looking glass, and a tin trunk. It has been raining all day, and the wedding party is late arriving at the ferry to be taken across the swollen rivers. यानी बहुत ज़्यादा आप उर्दू मीनिंग में आप ये कह सकते हैं swollen rivers के दरिया में जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा पानी आया हुआ, यानी पानी ओवर हो रहा है, फ्लड जैसी सिचुएशंस. You have to read this poem on your own self, not difficult. I am teaching you the meaning of the difficult words, then you will easily read this poem. A word palki, meaning a covered lighter for one passenger. Swollen, swell. Ferryman, a person who operates a ferry. Scared, fearful. Instead, as an alternative. Treacherous, guilty of a deception. Consummations, the action of making marriage. Now come on next topic, that is newspaper report on page number 85. Information on bushfires, यानी bushfires पे information. Bushfires cause fear, damage and death in Australia. Australia में bushfires जो है वो वजह है खौफ की, डैमेज नुकसान की और डेथ की. In 2002 in December, Australia's summers bushfires caused enormous damage. यानी बहुत enormous मीन बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज नुकसान की वजह बनी थी ये bushfires around the great city of Sydney. These fires are called bushfires because they range through the bush, which is what the wild mean jungly. Wild parts of Australia are called, यानी ऑस्ट्रेलिया का wild part जिसे कहा जाता है bushfires को. If someone carelessly threw a cigarette, यानी carelessly अगर a cigarette and out of a car window, the dry vegetations can easily catch a light. A light means रोशनी, and a forest fire means शदीद fire will soon range out of control. यानी अगर कार से बाहर सिगरेट फेंकते हैं कुछ लोग और ड्राई वेजिटेशन जो हैं ये बहुत शदीद फायर की वजह बनती है जो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होती है. Now come on next paragraph. Bushfires are very fierce indeed. Firemen fight bravely. Bravely means बहादुरी से, to control them on the ground and from the air, but they still range through towns, terrify the people mean लोगों को खौफज़दा किया, and destroy many homes before they are finally brought under control. यानी फायरमैन ने इसको कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश की, इस फायर को कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश की है, लेकिन उससे पहले इसने बहुत से होम्स को जो था वो डिस्ट्रॉय तबाह कर दिया था कंट्रोल होने से पहले. Page number 86, you have to read this article, then you will do task, and that is on page number 87 and 88. Your homework is you have to write and learn question answer and words meaning. Also you have to write and learn summary of the poem, and also you have to read page number 84 and 86. Next we will teach in next lecture inshallah. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.